How to fix low memory in Roblox. Now, I'm going to be providing you two specific troubleshooting steps, the very basic ones, just for you to be able to see if this is going to be working for you. The first things first is just go directly to your phone settings. Now, I'm currently running with an Android system, and then just head out directly to About Phone. Scroll down, go to Storage. Now in here, we'll have, or we can take control that we can free up storage or delete files that we don't often use. Now in this method right here, it allows us to clear up storage on our internal memory of the phone that we used for us to be able to fix that specific error message showing on Roblox. The other thing that you do is just to delete unnecessary files that you have from the application itself. Press and hold on your Roblox app, go to the eye icon. Now choose on clear all data and then clear cache. Make sure that you comply both of these options so that you can delete unnecessary files that you have from the Roblox. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix low memory on Roblox.